Hey internet, so the code is in the pinned comment. It's also on the description for the GitHub link. All this is a coding project that I made to create a chessboard just to show the visualization of the rice exponential or the grain exponential. Okay, let's run it. So it's also me practicing using the Tinker GUI. So the first square, you got 1, and then it doubles from then on. So in the, story, you start off with 1 grain of rice, and it doubles every single day until it reaches a very large amount of rice. So that's the story, and that's the GUI with the chessboard. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications, leave a comment below if this was helpful or entertaining. Until next time, see ya.